tayo ngayon sa newly renovated condominium unit in Eastwood City. Let's go in. Sorry. Ayan. This condo unit is 80 square meters and in terms of area, meron tayong LDK, living, dining, and kitchen all together in one contiguous space. This one also has a master bedroom with its own walk-in closet and ensuite. And aside from that, meron din tayong common toilet, so one small room, and one laundry. Okay, so as you can see here, we have the LDK, the living, the dining, and the kitchen area. Ayan, on lang po natin ang mga ilaw. So let's just highlight some items worthy to highlight here. For the cabinet works, we made use of polyvinyl chloride boards or PVC boards. They're more durable in terms of being waterproof. Hindi lang siya water resistant na, but waterproof. So we tested the quality of this brand. We made use of Primo. Okay? Wala pong binayaran si Primo dito. No? And after submerging a piece of their board for at least 48 hours, wala po talagang damage, no, na na-incur doon sa piece of board na yon that was submerged for at least 48 hours. So they remain true to their claim that they are indeed waterproof. Not only water resistant, but waterproof. Ayan, ready laminated na po ang mga boards nila. Pero they also sell non-laminated boards. And over here, we have the laundry. Ayan. So this one's directly connected to the drain and of course, to the supply as well. Mahangin po dito, no? Because this part of the condo building acts as a wind tunnel. Kaya sakto lang din na dito nilagay ng condo designer ang laundry. Para of course mahangin at madaling matuyo ang ating mga sinampay. And let's head over to ayan, the kitchen area. Kitchen number 2. We failed to close the door. Apologies. Ayan. And of course, we have here the fluted panels. Itong isa sa mga ating mga accent walls, no, in the LDK, the living, dining, and kitchen area. And over here is the TV wall. And just the same, it functions as an accent wall as well. This is the small room. Hindi natin papasukin. And we have here the common toilet. As you can see, all of our rooms make use of the sliding door mechanism. Bakit nga ba tayo gumagamit ng sliding doors? Okay? Para mas tipid sa space. Of course, as contrasted against the use of swing doors, ito, hindi kakain, no? Okay? When opened. Of course, as expected, if they are swinging in or out, kakain sila ng spaces. Ayan. So, andito na rin po tayo ngayon. Let's head over to the master toilet and bath. The ensuite. Okay? Ito ang ating shower area with the niches. Ito ang ating toilet area. And of course, the lavatory area. And just the same, all of the boards that we used here are polyvinyl chloride boards. For the same reason that we stated earlier, they are indeed waterproof. So Primo, baka naman, just kidding. Okay, dokes. And then this is the master bedroom. Let's turn the lights on for the headboard. Ayan, ito po ang ating headboard. We made use of the fluted panels as well. And this particular corner, okay, may ginawa po tayong kakaiba dito, no? We softened this particular corner para hindi naman siya patusok na patusok. We all know that positioning beams right on top of headboards is a big no-no in terms of feng shui. Pero we cannot do away with this one. No? The beam's already there. As a matter of fact, it's a girder. Okay, kaya sinoften na lang natin. It's one of those techniques, okay, to somehow attack the feng shui concepts. But of course, we are still to add some other attacks, kumbaga, no, in the near future. And the owners have not yet moved in. Marami pa tayong pwedeng idagdag na furnishings, furniture, whatsoever, of course, in light of the feng shui concepts. And this is our master walk-in closet. Ayan. All right. So that's it. Once again, there's an 80 square meter condominium unit located in Eastwood City. Renovating condo units is challenging. Of course, marami tayong mga restrictions na in terms of the time when we are allowed to do the noisy works, when we are allowed to do the deliveries, okay, among other things. Pero kapag natapos na, no, it's worth the wait. It's worth the resources consumed in the entire process of renovating or simply redesigning or designing or working with a condo project. So if you have condo renovation projects, feel free to send us a message. Just beep us up at LC Design Build. Thank you.